Langaroo app. So here's a new rising app, Langaroo Plus. Social media without borders is a global social network where language is no barrier. Share, chat, and connect with anyone, anywhere in over 130 languages with instant translation built in. From the live feed to global groups and communities, Langaroo makes it easy to find your people, spark conversation, and build friendships. Live social feed groups and communities, Land Chat, Land Talk, seamless sharing, Land Tech Premium. Invite more than 4 participants to the call. And yeah, so here's the app. And here's you can just see that there is a feed. There are community you can find, and then you can basically chat with people in other languages. So that's kind of the idea. So yeah, here you have it. Just and then yeah, you can then just chat in this language, and this way you kind of learning the language. So that's kind of the idea of the app. Uh, so that's the idea. I don't know how legit is it, but a lot of people like to learn languages this way. So that's what it is.